This is our lat pull down machine. On this piece of equipment, you only have one piece of the equipment that adjusts to really look at. And the way that this adjusts is it has a little pull pin on the back here, which allows you to take it up or down. And what this is used for is to adjust for the size of the person's leg that's going in. So for myself, I got to take it down to the last one, lock it in place. Next, reach up, you grab your lap bar, have a seat, of course after you've selected your load, and just pull it right down to your chest, and return back. Now, one of the things you don't want to do with this piece of equipment that I've seen fairly often, you'll see somebody get a load on it where it's usually a fairly light load, thankfully. It's just the same. They take the bar and start doing this with it. Okay. You don't want to be internally rotating the arm in this motion with the lap bar. It's a little bit hard on the rotator cuff. So once again, the proper way to bring this down, use this, is you bring it down to your chest, touch, and come back up. This piece of equipment is utilized for seated rows primarily. I'm going to show you a seated row with a little V handle here. So what you do, of course, is you would select your appropriate weight in the weight stack, have a seat on the bench, grab your handle. You want to place your feet up on the little footboards here, and bring yourself back to just a little bit less than a 45-degree bend with your leg. Grab a hold of the weight, get it snug, just pull it into your ribs, squeeze, and let it back out. Okay? Just like so. And return the weight to the stack. This is another one of the pieces of equipment we use for upright rows. So you have two handholds that you can choose from here. One is the inner grip, outer grip, and of course you have the end of the bar there to load your weight on. You just come up onto the piece of equipment, grab hold of your handles, it comes off the rack from the side, and just pull it right into your body. Okay. Once again, this is going to work the lats in your back. Depending on which handle is going to determine which portion of your lat gets hit or emphasized a little more in the movement. This is our high row piece of equipment. The way this works has two adjustments, one on the seat and one for the pads that come down on the top of your legs. This guy is used for lats. What you do is you come down just your seat first, then you, after you sit into the machine, you take the top two cushions here, get them to the top of your leg, grab a hold of your handles after you load your weight, just pull it right down into your body. Now, this is one where you can do singles, or you can do them both at the same time. Once you finish your sets, you're all set. This piece of equipment is used for rowing. The way that you're going to be able to utilize this piece is you have to get this pad in front within a distance of you to where you can grab your bar. Okay? You want a little bit of a stretch in your arm, so you got to reach forward to get it. And then the seat height is going to take and place this pad right about at the base of your chest. Okay? So you reach forward after you've selected your load. Reach forward with lateral bars. Okay? You can pull it into your body. The second way to use this machine is you take hold of vertical handles, and once again, just pull it into the body. Run through your sets, you're good to go.